Alright, so I'm going to give you guys a little tour of what we're here right now after Hurricane Irma. We got Jordan over there fishing. And we got a ton of dead fish. Like, look, right here. Got washed up. The little bluegill. Some fish coming up here.
Yeah, fish on here.
Look, there's a big old tilapia over here.
Yeah? Well,
leave him there, Elijah. Oh, look, we're going to save him. Look, you see that fish over there?
Oh, look at that big mussel.
Look, there's that fish. This is a nice size fish. Look, we got these fish over here. Save him. We're about to save this guy. Look. We're gonna save him. Oh, look, he's only got one eye. This fish only got one eye. We're gonna save him. Alright, look, he's going back out. Oh, look, there's a dead fish there. One right here. Look at this little dead bass. This bass died. Now, come right here. This is freshwater. We got a giant snook. Like, look, this is my hand by the snook. There's a huge snook, about 27 inches. 27-inch snook. Right? And that's it. We got over here the water from the canal came into the yard. This nice little thing. We got fish coming everywhere to breathe to the top of the water for some reason. If you know that, please tell me in the comments why they do that. I'm still amazed about the snook though. Kind of knew they were here, but I never really knew they were here. See you later, guys.